The Toyota CHR Hybrid also uses a hybrid battery cooling fan that eventually needs to be serviced very often. So if you want to learn how to properly clean it yourself and save a little money, watch this video. Okay, so today we're working this 2017 Toyota CHR Hybrid. Hi, how you doing? So the CHR Hybrid came for regular service, maintenance, changing the oil, the filter, and all these kind of things. But this is a very nice opportunity to show you that during the service, I also do the hybrid battery cooling fan cleaning. Now this was not so easy, as I said, the Toyota Prius C, the Aqua, because this one is under the seat, but you probably need to take it out. However, no need to be cleaned so often because after 2017, usually most Toyota models, they implemented a high voltage battery cooling fan filter. But that needs to be cleaned as well more often. So what we're gonna do, let's open it up and check it out. And here we go, There it is. Okay, so as you guys can see, the cooling suction ventilation is right here, which is, this is an extractable component. So let me just take it out for a moment. So with a Phillips screwdriver, then a flat to extract the clip, I can take it out. There you go. That's it. So as you can see, I have access to the service plug grip and then of course the battery inlet. But Jose, you just said that this vehicle using a battery cooling fan filter. Well, it's actually right here in the grill, look. But it's right here in the back. So yes, the problem with this filter, if you don't service, it gets clogged way much more faster than if you don't have any filter. So let's take it out. Now we are extracting the filter with much careful. We don't want to damage because I don't know if I'm going to find the replacement, but in the meantime, look at how much dust and debris have over here. Yes, depending on the market, you find these replacement parts. Okay, there are a couple of guys that might have it over here. Let me see if I can just find it. If not, we will just clean it, wash it, and put it back in. Nothing will happen. But I want to see how the cooling fan. All right, let me see. Actually, not looking so bad. That's the good thing that I like about the fan filter. But still, we're gonna take it out. But as I say, to take it out is not so easy. We have to take out the couch and some covers. Let me show you. Step number one. Here we go. And then the other side as well. The other side we go as well. There you go. So we can remove this. There you go. That's it. Because we're also going to apply a little air to the battery compartment. And then we can remove this and this. And let's open it up. But before taking this out, I have to extract this one as well. So yes, it's a little tricky. Sorry, that's how it is. Once I remove the two clips, this side cover over here, I can extract the side cover. There you go. And then I have access over here to the cooling fan. Once off, I will have to remove 1, 2, and 3. Here comes the tricky part. We already disconnect the main connector, this clip over here, the one in the top, and the fan is loose. But look, the fan is moving. So we're gonna have to play now with the fan a little bit to the side, right here. Roll it up a little bit. There we go. That's it. And she coming up. Now, it sounds a little tricky because I'm doing it with one hand. But if you use both of your hands, it won't be so hard to come out. So here we are, the CHR. This one is actually also the 4th generation Toyota Prius, as well as the Corolla after 2017 Hybrid. These are the very same procedure. So let's open it up. All right, let's put it on the table. Let's open it up. Here it is. So it's very similar to the Prius C, just a different size, different shapes, different color. Let's just open up the clips and open it up. Once it's open, let me see. As I said, because it has the filter, it's not so bad. It has a tiny little dusty over here, as well as the fan, which is exactly what we want to clean. Here in the blades, can you see? We'll check the difference. Now with a very thin, flat screwdriver over here, let's pull this out. That's it. It's up. Oh. There it is. You really want to be careful because if you pull this out very hard, it will jump away and that's it. You will never see it again. I guarantee that. Now we can pull out the blade. There it is. As I said, it's not the worst, but still has a little dust. Can you see? There it is. It's actually the very same procedure. Let's just wash it with a very nice piece of, a brush, okay? Make sure access all the blades, especially for the back, because I can feel over here, it's a little sticky because of the emerald. The vehicle's all sticking inside because with the shiny emerald, yeah. That's your hybrid battery cooling fan's worst enemy because it put it sticky. The filter is the one that does the job, that protects against all the dust and debris, but still, over a long period of time, like this one that has never been cleaned at all, it's a little dusty. So let's just wash it. It's fine now, as good as new. I just need to dry it, but it's time for the filter. But let's check out the filter, see? Look at how much crap is accumulating in the filter. Can you see my point? So we will leave this as good as new. So the blade is as good as new with absolutely zero dusty, as well as the filter. Look, no more debris, absolutely nothing, and that's exactly what we want. Now with a piece of dry cloth, taking out all the dusty that gets accumulated here in both units, that should be more than enough. Time to assemble back. Tiny little grease. Remember that this goes in only one position, in the flat part, so it's pretty easy to assemble. Flat part to the top. There it is. Then the clip, very carefully. That's it. We remove all the debris from this side cover. That should be it. And this fan is ready to be assembled back, as well as the filter. But we're also cleaning the intake grill, because the intake grill also accumulates a lot of crap. So once we clean it properly from both sides, we will dry it. As good as new. But before we even think to install it back, we have to clean inside. Cleaning inside is important because look, there's always stuff, debris, little things. So we're gonna just take this out, bring my beautiful blower, and leave this as good as new. We're also gonna blow the battery intake. Clean this up as well. Look, can you see? There's the mark. That's how she's supposed to look where the battery inlet is. So now we can assemble. First of all, we're gonna put the filter in its right position. Fit it right here, and then from this side, and ready it is. Now here comes the tricky part. To put this in is a little complicated. We just have to fit it in just the same way as we took it out. Let me use my both hands. Give me a second. So with both your hands and a little patience, you will be able to fit it in, and that's it. So we're just going to connect back. Main fan connector, cable clip holder, 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt, and the third 10mm bolt. 1, 2, and 3. And that should be it. Now before we put this cover, we also got to clean it. Look how much dust is inside. Let's clean it up. Ready to assemble now. That's it. She actually fits very, very easy. And that's it. Now let's put the side cover that we also cleaned already. So, there you go. See? She matched actually very, very easy. Now let's fit the filter unit in this position. There you go. That's it. The clip right here. There it is. Clip holder. And that's it. Now the couch back inside again. Nothing happened. Look, as good as new. This is how it's supposed to look. So as you guys can see, servicing the Toyota CHR Hybrid, the high voltage battery cooling fan, is not that difficult. It is indeed a little more tricky, but nothing impossible. With a little patience, you can do it with absolutely no trouble. So if you want to learn more about servicing this hybrid and electric vehicles, follow Hybrid Solution Diagnostics and stick around for more tips.